Hello everyone. So as you know that we can add music on Instagram on any story or maybe posts. Similarly, a feature has arrived where on status you can add a music to it. Any music you want, right? So what you got to do is you have to select one photo to upload it, right? You click on that. I have told you how to put a status, so go and check that video, right? So I've selected this photo, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on top middle icon of music, and here are options of all the musics you want of any particular artist or maybe a song. So I've mentioned beautiful here, so any song which relates to beautiful or has it, you can select it. So like on other apps, you can delete it on clicking on the left top corner, or here are section of selecting which part of the song you want, which 15 or 20 seconds you want, right? So for that only, for that particular seconds, the song will go on for the lyrics you have selected for that status, right? So we can select any song we want, whichever suits it. You can take your time, you can listen to it first and then select it, right? You can pause it and it will be heard for 15 seconds on WhatsApp status, right? This feature is very cool because now our status will not be boring. We can upload anything, any photo, and we can add the music related to it. So yes, and now you have to upload your status by clicking on the green circle, and now everyone can see your photo and listen to the music that you have attached with the status. So see you in the next video. Till then, upload a status with this song right now. Tada!